This is enhancement 2, and the first step is to insert a client with the name of Tony Stark. I believe it's in here. Okay, I created the database, so I'm going to insert a client. So here it is, Stark, and now I have to change the client level. So now we're going to update that data I just created, just a part of the client level. So here it is, level 3. Then I had to update inventory and change the name. So I'm going to select inventory, and nylon rope must be changed into a climbing rope. So I took this 15 number and let's change it. Here we go. Now we're gonna see it, and it changed into climbing rope. The next step is to change the miscellaneous in here. I believe I already done that, but let's just do it. Okay. So here there are. Okay, that's it. And the last thing to do is to delete this Königsegg or whatever. So here I go there and go. Yes, I want to delete it. And now it's not there, number 7. So this is all I had to show for this video, and thanks for watching.